If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright, and then once you pass the wave breaker area, you got a little food stand as well. And back there you can see steel eel. It's pretty much all over this park. It's pretty crazy. This kind of heads to steel eel again. I just love how it towers over the entire park. It's pretty cool. Alright, so long story short, this is going to be a really weird video as far as my camera angles because there was this power-hungry employee that told me I couldn't use the GoPro on the rides even though the company policy allows you to as long as it's strapped on. So I just want to let you all know I did ride twice just because of the weird video. Enjoy. Alright folks, so here we are at Steel Eel. Check it out. Of course I got my shot first. Pretty excited. Let's get it. Peace out. And there goes the view. Oh! Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.